Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this sweet stitch. It's beautiful. You can use it for summer or autumn. You can make blankets, cardigans, a lot of things with this, maybe baby dress. And it's so easy to make. I'm gonna show you how to make it one by one. It will be a beginner friendly tutorial. And for this I'm gonna use this yarn, Utopia Craft Super Aran yarn. 100 gram is 200 meters, 100% acrylic yarn, and I'm gonna use a 6mm hook with it. You can try any yarn with this. I'm sure it will look good on cotton yarn, wool yarn, and even maybe paper yarn. You can make a bag using this like that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot, and for this stitch we will need an even number. Okay, I'm gonna use 14 for a little sample. Yarn over. You can turn your chains and use this back bumps, or you can directly insert into the chain too. It's not too important. I'm gonna use back bumps. Yarn over. Skip this first one, okay? Skip the first chain. Insert into the next. Grab the yarn, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. We are gonna make a herringbone half double crochet. That means we will pull this loop through this one. Okay? Then yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1. Yarn over, skip 1 chain. Insert into the next. Grab the yarn. Now pull through this loop. Okay? Yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, skip 1. Make a herringbone half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1. And we are gonna repeat this till the end. And that's the last one. That's the end of the first row. Now chain 1, turn. We will repeat the same thing. We are gonna use the stitches. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, grab the yarn, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 1, skip this chain here into the stitch. We are gonna make a herringbone half double crochet. Chain 1, skip here. And that's the last stitch here. I'm gonna make one more. Chain 1, turn. And for this row, we will make regular half double crochets. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all. Yarn over, insert into this chain space, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. Into the stitch, put a half double crochet, into the space, put a half double crochet, stitch and space. Space, and that's the last stitch. Put a half double crochet here, chain 1, turn. I think that's the trickiest row. We are gonna make this stitch, we are gonna make this half double crochet stitch turn to the right side. Okay, it will look to the right side. For this, we will not use this back loop, front loop, stitch. We will use this first loops. Okay, when you look your work like that, that's the first stitch here. And we will make single crochets. I made a chain without yarning over. Insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert into the next, grab the yarn, pull through 2. You see there is 2 strands actually. One is small, one is bigger. We're going to use this bigger one. And don't miss this one, okay? This one here. Chain 1, turn. Actually, that's all. We will repeat these 4 rows. I'm gonna show you a little bit more. Insert into the first stitch, make a herringbone half double, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, make a herringbone, skip 1 stitch, skip 1, that's the last stitch. Chain 1, turn. I'm showing you how fast this work, because it seems a little bit complicated maybe, because we are using herringbones, half doubles, single crochets, first loops, but it's very easy when you get used to make them. Chain 1, skip 1, into the stitch, put a herringbone, half double crochet, chain 1 and turn. We are gonna put 1 half double crochet into each stitch and space. That's the last stitch. Chain 1, turn, and we will make single crochet to these first loops. And last one. That's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Since Crochet is my Instagram address, it's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.